C3 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Of course, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the front nose. We do have a little touch up right on the very tip like we see quite often. A little bit of stress kind of in the clear. I guess it's tough to get it to show up, being pretty fussy. Paint still has a very nice shine to it. Car's got a good look. All right, still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Car from every angle. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Goodyear Eagle TR radials. Polished, correct Corvette wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches down the side. I did notice there's kind of some little pimples on the top of that fender. Again, being awful fussy, it's kind of tough to even get them to show up in the camera. Got to be looking awful close. This is an original red car, paint coat of 83. Oyster interior, bucket seats, of course, center console, and we'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. The glass T-tops with the mirrored finish. So you get a good look at the rear of the car, dual exhaust, of course. A few notes from the technician that looked at this one. Does have new front lower ball joints. They've been replaced. No shakes or vibrations driving it. Brakes straight. Brakes are 90% in the front, and they're new in the rear, as well as the rear calipers being replaced. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Once again, all the still pictures in this car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Also mentioned just your typical powertrain weeps from a car that is driven, nothing out of the ordinary. Take a look down this driver's side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You can see the paint has a nice finish to it, almost looks wet. You'll see the T-tops out in the still picture, so you'll be able to see it both ways. I wanted to put them in for the video so you could see they are the mirrored finish top, nice looking glass top. There's a good look at the driver's door panel. Now bucket seats, power windows, tilt column, telescopic column as well. Does have an aftermarket Sony AM FM CD player in it. Wipers are working. Did mention the AC was in op, but it has been converted to 134, so that will just need a little TLC, a little attention. All right, fire it up for us. Odometer reads 41,355. I can't confirm or deny if that's actual mileage, just due to the fact once the car is so old, it's marked exempt on the title. There's a good look at the top of the dash. Gauge cluster. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure looking good. Battery. And fuel gauge working. Clocking up. Stereo.
All your options for cancellation. Call Wesley for your free.
Working fine. Power windows working. Again, wipers were working. I have not tried the headlights here. Let's give those a shot. Looks like headlights are working fine. Headlights working good. Door closes nicely. Power antenna works. Sounds good too. All right, let's pop this this hood. Take a peek at the engine bay. All right, underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. And again, 350 V8 power, quadrajet 4-barrel, HEI ignition, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC will need a little attention of low cold. Has been converted. Smog pump still in place too. Running smooth, sounds good. C3 here at UniqueClassicCars.com. It's a 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. Number to call 507-386-1726. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. This one in bright red with a white interior. I just put the window up. You heard that? We do have T-tops above my head. Glass T-tops. Beautiful panoramic views because of that. Looking at the sky. This is an automatic right here in the center console. I got a little bit of traffic I gotta wait for. The temperature gauge is showing right where it should be, about 190. The fuel gauge a little over half a tank. We are clock equipped right here. The oil pressure, we're idling and it's at 35, which is good. And the battery's charging over 14 volts. Very responsive steering and throttle. Nice smooth running Corvette. Speedometer working well, tachometer also. The blower motor works to blow air through the HVAC system on this Corvette. We have a Sony stereo. Very good sound. Sometimes they choose just the right speakers and right head unit. Clear audio. They're gonna factory appearing bucket seats, of course, in this Corvette. As interesting as it is, one of the most iconic Corvettes is probably the C3. This right towards the end of the C3. Very smooth brakes in this car. Just enough G-force to get a tire squeal. Very nice cornering, very flat. The kickdown works on the automatic transmission. And easy to drive. 1980 Corvette in red with T-tops. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.